How to order food with GrabFood for the first time. First of all, open the Grab app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, you will see different services available on the home screen. Next, tap on the food icon. This will open the GrabFood section where you will see nearby restaurants and food options. You can browse through the list or use the search bar to find a specific restaurant or dish you are craving. After that, select the food item you want to order. You can choose the portion size, add extra toppings if available, and read the description carefully. Then, tap Add to Basket once you are happy with your choice. You can repeat the process to add more items from the same or different restaurant. Once all your items are in the basket, tap on the basket icon to review your order. Here you can double check the items and make sure the delivery address is correct. You can also apply any available promo codes to get discount. Now, choose your payment method. You can pay using a link card, mobile wallet, or even cash on delivery, depending on the available options. Once everything looks good, tap Place Order. Finally, you will see a real-time tracking screen. This lets you follow the progress of your order from the restaurant preparing your food to the delivery driver on the way to your location. Make sure to keep your phone nearby in case the driver contacts you. And that's it. Now you know how to order food with GrabFood for the first time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.